Do you translate in your head before you speak English? You know the words, but your mouth feels slow. Today you will listen to a simple American story that helps you think and speak English naturally. No grammar rules, no pressure, just calm, real English. This is a simple story about an ordinary day in America. A man named Alex was sitting in a small coffee shop. People around him were talking. Some were laughing. Some were quiet. Outside, the city felt busy. Inside, the coffee shop felt calm. Alex heard two people talking. One person said, "Did you hear about that famous actress?" The other person smiled and said, "Yes, everyone is talking about her these days." Alex did not know much about her, but he understood the conversation. They were not using difficult words. They were not trying to sound smart. They were just talking. Naturally, Alex noticed something. They were not translating in their heads. They were not thinking about grammar. They were thinking in ideas, not in words. Alex thought to himself, "This is how English sounds natural." One person said, "She seems very calm." The other replied, "Yes, I like her energy." Short sentences, clear meaning. Alex understood everything. Alex remembered his own English. When he speaks, he thinks first in his language, then changes it to English. That makes him slow. But these people were different. They felt the idea first. The words came naturally. Alex decided to try something. He did not translate. He just listened. He thought in pictures. He thought in feelings. Simple. Natural. The waiter came and asked, "Would you like anything else?" Alex smiled and said, "No, I'm good. Thank you." No translation. No fear. Just English. Alex learned something important. English is not about thinking harder. English is about thinking simpler. If you want to speak English naturally, stop translating every sentence. Listen more. Feel the meaning. Let the words come. Listen to English stories. Again and again. This is how English becomes part of you.